Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Molotov cocktails in Terraria 1.4 updated. Start by opening your crafting menu near bottles to see available recipes and requirements. Gather gel from slimes and glass bottles at an alchemy station or bottle placed on a table. Combine torches or bottles with gel as required, then test in a safe area to learn blast radius and ignition timing. Collect materials before attempting bulk crafting so you do not waste resources mid-fight. Make sand into glass at a furnace, then craft bottles at a placed bottle or alchemy station. Farm slimes at night for gel, which stacks nicely and is used for many throwables. Keep torches or similar light sources handy since recipes vary slightly by recipe. Knowing alternatives helps you adapt to what you have. Think about placement and timing when using Molotovs to maximize damage and safety. Aim at groups or narrow corridors to keep enemies inside the flames while you reposition. Avoid standing in burning zones and use platforms or elevation to throw from a safe height. For boss encounters, pair Molotovs with potions or flasks that increase damage or debuffs, so the flames contribute to sustained damage over time during critical windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.